great challenge this one is. I found this frame with a Hessian board in it at the op shop quite some time ago and always wondered, what am I going to do with this? Well, this gave me an opportunity, so I decided I was going to try the aluminium foil and the Hessian and see whether I could blow over top of it. I was really surprised at the results. They're awesome, so please hang on to the end and have a look and see what it looks like dry. Welcome to Kiwi Pearls. I'm Deb. Now let's get on with it. I've given the board over top of the Hessian a good coat of gesso, white gesso. It was pretty hard to get it on, so it's quite patchy in places, but it is covered. I noticed the end effect, you can actually see it, so it's given it even more texture. I was really thrilled with it. Where I wanted to place the foil, I put down a good coat of the hard coat Mod Podge, and then you can see I'm ripping it up randomly and squishing it up quite a bit so that it gives it a little bit more texture. I've seen a few people on YouTube actually doing this over the top of a canvas, and it looks really cool, so I thought, what the heck, let's give it a go. I'm going to use a quite a firm brush here shortly and push it down with a brush, and I really sort of hammer it quite hard to make sure that it's stuck. And I waited till it was dry, and then I went over it again, and any little bits that weren't stuck down I put more Mod Podge underneath and let it dry again. And as you'll see, I added some extra bits as well. Now let's go over the paint colours that we used. This one here is a pearl mix. All my pearls are on the right hand side. So that's Warm White by Jo Sonia, and I've got that in this squirter bottle here as well. This one's Lumiere Indigo, one of my favourites. I love this one. And this one here was Kryla Pewter, which is quite a bluey grey, but it wasn't quite blue enough for me, so I added some Jo Sonia Sapphire to it, just a few drops. And this one here, I've got Jo Sonia Carbon Black, and that's a pearl mix. Now onto the puddle paints. This one is my brand new favourite, Super Sparkle by Lumiere. It's amazing. And this one is Lumiere Indigo and a bit of Jo Sonia Payne's Grey added to it. The next one I actually didn't use. It's the Liquitex Basics in the graphite and the ivory black, but I never ended up using it. Now I'm looking at the canvas thinking, holy, how do I do this? So I grabbed my little hairdryer. I've got a small one that's just got a little head on it. And I can direct the blow a lot easier with that than what I can with my one with the big head on it. So I decided I'd use that, and I'm just putting pearl colours down over the foil only. I didn't put any puddle paints over top of this because I wanted the Hessian part to be different to the foil part, but I wanted the foil part to take your eye, to be the focus of the piece. So yeah, it wasn't easy. It was a bit of a battle, but I got there in the end. When it comes time to do the Hessian area, I decided that I wanted to whiten my white up. So I added some titanium white to the warm white just to change it slightly, make it a little bit brighter, because I wanted to highlight around the edges of the foil area. My vision in my head was to have like a gradient in the background across. So the foil's your focal point really, and the Hessian area is your background. So when I'm blowing out that Hessian area as a background, I'm mixing it up quite a bit. I'm putting pearl down and blowing out. I'm putting puddle paint over top of the pearl, blowing it out, and then doing the opposite thing. So when you put your pearl paint over top of your puddle paint, you'll get like a cloudy effect and it'll blend. But when you put your puddle paint over top of your pearl paint, you'll get cells. So I mixed it up quite a bit. You'll see. I enjoyed it. It was fun. And to be quite honest with you, I wouldn't have tried this. I would have procrastinated over it for a year if Nate hadn't set this challenge. So I can't say enough good things about this group. If you're feeling stuck, you're losing enthusiasm, join a group. Join Nate's Art Lab. The people are so accepting, kind, funny, encouraging. So support these lovely people by clicking on the link below and following along the train and get some inspiration for your own textured piece. I'll leave you in peace now and let you listen to some music, and I'll see you at the end. back after letting it sit for probably an hour. I let it develop up for a little while and come back with my phone to record this, and I was too scared to get close to it because I really did not want to drop my phone in it. I loved it. You can't really make out the Hessian, but you can see some of the foil there. So it's popping through, and because it's coming through the dark colour, it was a little bit more noticeable, you might say. On the dry results here, you can see kind of patchy Hessian there, where the gesso was a bit thicker over the Hessian. And you can see the foil coming through there. So pretty. Sparkles. It looks so much better in person, I tell you. Really happy with it. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think. If you enjoyed that, please think about subscribing, commenting. Please comment. I love that. Oh, you can see it there. Look, patches. Now I've got to try more. Pearls over Hessian. I wonder if that will work. If you're interested in watching that, please click the notification bell and you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for coming to see me. I do really appreciate you being here, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now. Now don't forget to watch the rest of Nate's Art Lab Talented Artist.